beach day. It's actually a Thursday, and I was like, you know what? Let's go to the beach. So we came over to the beach. It's me and Sheena, and that light is in my eye, but I want y'all to see all this melanin, and I want you to get every bit of it, okay? So, yeah, we decided to come down to the beach, and this is just a nice little quiet beach. And we have our little setup here. Sheena's over there beating that face, okay? So we're just out here. I think it's like 5:30, almost 6 o'clock. And we just came out here for a little while. We went and got a little bit of wine. We got these cute cups from Kroger. So we're out here getting a little bit of wine, just relaxing, just laying out on the beach, stuff like that. So I'm excited. I just wanted to bring you guys along. Oh gosh, my introduction. I am Btsmitty, okay? Thank you so much for coming out tonight. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me, and I appreciate that. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram as well, which is Btsmitty, the same thing as my channel handle. I'm gonna bring y'all along while we have a ball today. So like, die from my wrist. Sun keep being in my eyes. You guys, it's the perfect beach day. All we had to do to prepare to get here. We went to 8 stores to come to the beach for one beach day. She got vegetables. We had to get these cute little cups. She brought pound cake to the beach. But it's fun. We're having a good time. So, ooh, my forehead's starting to look shining, 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 shining. But yeah, the water's so calm, and there's nobody here. You was opening the pound cake. How you gonna eat it, Sheena? We're gonna get it with our hands. Let's do it now. Let's see. We didn't bring no utensils. Yes! Ooh, I just want to have a good time. Yeah, it's getting dark now, so we're probably about to go now. And 2 wine bottles later, it was fun. We had really, really good fun.
What?
Look at her. Exactly.
Is it already recorded?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Hi guys. I'm on Brandy's channel. There's Brandy. We out here trying to be social. I want all credit. I want to be added in the comment section. You know how to do it. Babe, I want one of these cameras for my...
B-roll for this, okay?
You know what I'm B-roll. You gotta zoom in somewhere and then fade it out. I'm with it. I'm with it. Yeah. I'm trying to tell you, I'm starting my channel soon. It's gonna be all sneakers though. It's gonna be this shit.
Ain't nothing on it, dude.
I said sneakers.
Oh Lord.
But she gotta give me a camera. I like this one. Hey, I want this camera. And the tripod.
I'm not thinking about you.
Let me get some more B-roll. Look, oh wait. Slow dramatic B-roll. Yeah.
How you put up with this? Hi guys. I am Btsmitty. It is a Saturday night, and we just went to have dinner at this nice place on the waterfront, but I did not pick up my camera. I feel so bad about it. Now we're on the ocean front, and they have like, I guess like some type of magic show going on.
You need to raise your expectations.
Okay, man. I'm not gonna stay here to watch, but we are going to a club on the ocean front called Ride Lounge, and I said I'm gonna take you guys with me. Here, so let's go. Every time I'm on the ocean front, somebody do this. What's up? Yes.
Where you from?
Huh? I'm from here.
From here?
Yeah.
We ain't from Richmond.
You are?
Yeah, Richmond, Sean.
Okay, cool. What's your Instagram? Tell them to follow y'all.
I got a YouTube too.
You do?
Yes, Day in the Life. I just posted a video this morning.
Day in the Life? Okay, I'll put it down in the description box.
What's your name?
I'm Brandy. Mine is Btsmitty.
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 Okay.
Yep.
I'm gonna check
So,
Don't get me to get her. She the
But you look cute. She definitely
Yeah, she gonna follow you though.
thank you. I'm gonna follow you too once I see you. Said Day in the Life.
I'm gonna come follow you.
Okay. Happy birthday, Kiara! Hello, boys and girls. Today is Sunday, May 19th, and we came out here to go to a festival. It's called the Chesapeake Jubilee. Not a festival, but it's like a, I don't know what to call it. They have rides and stuff like that that you can get on. Oh, a fair. It's kind of like a fair. They have like little rides and stuff that you guys can get on, and I was like, why not? It's a beautiful day. Let's come out here. I was like, why not? It's a beautiful day. Let's come out here. And I don't like the rides that just go round and round and round and round and round and round and round in circles, because they make me sick, and I just ate. I wonder if they got turkey legs out here. They got them big turkey legs. I wonder if they got those, or a funnel cake. So what we didn't know is that it closes at 6 and it's 5:24 right now, so we don't have a lot of time. I didn't necessarily intend on getting on any rides or anything like that, but I just wanted to come out here to get a funnel cake and get a little bit of footage. You know I had to find the funnel cakes. Bro, they got deep fried candy bars, deep fried Oreos, and deep fried Twinkies, which I've never tried any of them, so we finna try all of them. To close, so they didn't have any more of the deep fried stuff. I'm pissed. So what we're gonna do in another separate video is how to make deep fried Oreos at home. We might as well do like the Twinkies and stuff too. Deep fried Snickers, deep fried Reese's, do all of that. That'll be in another video.
Alright, y'all, let's see if I feet there. Oh!
Alright guys, the first time is the worst time. Right now you guys got a medium round, sitting one of these guys in the bucket. Now if you guys play another round, you get to move up to a bigger prize next time.
And if I don't hit it next time, I don't still get a medium, I get
No, the next round you get to keep going until you pop the blue. There we go.
Yeah, let me do the $100.
Winner.
Thank you.
Show 'em what you got, BT. What you got?
Got that bread, you already know. All right guys, so it was really hot. It's that type of humidity where if I had to be out there any longer than I was, then I would have an attitude. And I got a candy apple too. That was out of everything else. I was like, can I get a pickle? We're out of pickles. Okay, can I get a slushie? We're out of slushie. Can I get a caramel apple? Oh, we just sold our last one. What do you have? Oh, that takes me back to like elementary school, middle school. It's actually good though. On point. You guys, let me get my hair life together. You guys, I found a new Mexican spot. And it is bomb. It's better than Plaza Azteca. It's better than El Azteca. It's better than the other place. And it's new. It's only been here for like 3 weeks. So that's where we're going now. and then I'm going home. I am extremely tired. So we left the Mexican joint. Dang, edges ain't laid no more. We left the Mexican joint and I decided I wanted something sweet to eat because I didn't really get anything there. So we came to Kroger to see what sweet I can get to eat. I'm over here by the cakes and pies. Bro, this looks so bomb. Alright guys, so I decided to get some Vividly vanilla ice cream and this cake. It was only $1.49. I figured out what they do is like, I guess if they don't sell the sheet cakes, they just cut them up in pieces and sell them separately. So this is like a part of a sheet cake. So it's like yellow cake with chocolate icing. Just know that I'm not gonna eat all of this. I'm probably gonna throw much of it away, but I just had a little sweet tooth here. Alright, so I'm about to go ahead and eat my dessert. My little bit of dessert for my sweet tooth, and then I'm going to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.